We are live on the Facebook and we are on the recording mode. So I would request Preeti ji to initiate the session.
Thank you. Good evening and welcome to a rather unusual and unique session this evening. This is on dance, on Indian classical dance. We will talk about its origin, its history, and what the new contemporary trends are, how traditional forms may have changed, may have evolved, and why. Our guests this evening are Ashish Khokar and Chiranjeev Singh. When Ashish Khokar was growing up in New Rajendra Nagar, their two-bedroom house was always bursting with archival material. The fridge stashed with film rolls and beds and tables full of stacks of photos and posters and press clippings. I read this wonderful description and marveled at the richness contained in his Delhi flat, Delhi home. And that Ashish was privileged to be witness to all of this richness as he grew up there with a father whose collection of photos and press clippings and brochures, dance costumes, invitations, etc., everything to do with dance and performance in India over the last so many years will soon be available to all of us as well, because there is apparently a museum coming up and he's going to tell us more about it. Professor Ashish Khokar is a well-respected critic, author, and scholar who has been writing extensively on dance and on films and spirituality for the last 40 years. He is editor, publisher of India's only yearbook on dance, Attend Dance, which is regarded as a Bible of the arts. With over 30 books on Indian art and culture, spirituality, and heritage, to his credit, he is project advisor and curator for IGNCA Delhi. This is what I was talking about. I think that's the project that is going on, which is on his father Mohan Khokar's dance archives. The archives is coming up in museum form, and it's going to contain all of this treasure that that I spoke about a little earlier. In conversation with him this evening is Chiranjeev Singh, former ambassador of India to UNESCO in Paris, former civil servant, and who's now associated with numerous NGOs, especially in the field of rural development, environment, and culture. He's, of course, visited Maja House, and we were really delighted to have him among us that evening. We had a program at Kikli here. All of last year, of course, has been completely a write-off as far as the year is concerned. We've had no physical events, but we've done over 100 online sessions. He's also received the Rajyotsava Award in 2005 by the state that he lives in, Karnataka, and he's presently president of the Alliance Française in Bangalore. Welcome, both of you, and thank you very much for being here at the Maja House online session this evening. And I'm now going to sit back along with the audience and enjoy listening to the two of you. Over to you.
बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया प्रीति जी. मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी. Yes.
आशीष जी और मेरी तरफ तो सारे सुनन वालियां नू देखण वालियां नू साडा सत्कार प्रवान होवे और ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ बहुत-बहुत ਧੰਨਵਾਦ कि ਤੁਸੀਂ डांस बारे विचार ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਅਵਸਰ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਆ. आशीष जी ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ डांस आर्काइव्स तो ही शुरू करते हैं. मैं ਜਦੋਂ यूनेस्को च सी ते इंटरनेशनल डांस काउंसिल ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਫਿਸ ਸੀਗਾ. ਸੋ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਂਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਯੂਨੈਸਕੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਵੇਰਵਾ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦੇ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਮ ਦਾ ਆਰਕਾਈਵਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੋਹਨ ਖੋਖਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਇਆ और उसकी रक्षा की थी. ਸਮਿਥਸੋਨੀਅਨ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਵਾਸ਼ਿੰਗਟਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈਣ 'ਚ ਇੰਟਰਸਟਿਡ ਸੀਗੇ, ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਲਾਇਬ੍ਰੇਰੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕੀਤਾ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਾਬਾਸ਼ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੀ ਵਿਰਾਸਤ ਹੈ, ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਰਹਿਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਰਕਾਈਵਸ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਕੁਝ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਬਰੋੜਾ ਜਨਮਿਆ, ਅੰਮਾ ਤਮਿਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਮੈਂ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ, ਤੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ। ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਦਿਸ ਜਰਨੀ। ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਅਰਥਕੁਏਕ ਨਾਲ। ਐਮ ਆਈ ਆਡੀਬਲ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ।
1935 ਚ ਮਈ 31 ਨੂੰ ਕੁਏਟਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਬਲੋਚਿਸਤਾਨ ਹੈਗਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਾਦਾ ਜੀ ਪੋਸਟਡ ਸਨ। That's where this dance history collection actually began in Quetta in 1935, when Mohan ji was then just 11 years old. Lekin he was the only one there in that neighborhood ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਸੀ। ਨਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਫੋਨ 'ਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੇ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋ difficulty to take a photo or document anything today. In fact, we are talking through this medium jithe we can see each other and converse and access information. But I take you back to almost 90 years ago in 1935, when an 11-year-old, aftermath of the earthquake in Quetta, realized overnight he had lost many of his relatives, all his friends in school. The earthquake was devastating. It was the biggest in this region, over 2,000 people. For those days, 2,000 was a big number. It may not sound too much now. Everything was wiped out overnight. Mohan ji, 11-year-old, with a camera given by an uncle, documented this dance of death. I asked him, I said, how did you get inspired? He said, I realized everything was so transient. Everything was so momentary that overnight ਅਸੀਂ ਸੋ ਕੇ ਉੱਠੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਰਾਤੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਬਦਲ ਗਈ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਕੌਣ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਸੀ, ਕੌਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਸੀ। ਤੇ he felt this dance of death started a movement for him towards saving this movement of motion, this art of motion. ਤੇ I think somewhere psychologically it was this memory, to save the memory of some art form that was very fragile, that was very, very transient, and that was very, very temporary. ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੋਈ। ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਾਂਦੇ he was an odd boy in the family of army, mostly army talents, if one can call them talents, under British India. ਭੂਆ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੀ ਆਰਮੀ 'ਚ। ਅਸੀਂ ਜਲੰਧਰ, ਰੋਪੜ, ਫਿਰੋਜ਼ਪੁਰ, ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ, ਫਿਲੌਰ, ਫਗਵਾੜਾ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਦੁਆਬਾ ਤੇ ਮਾਝਾ ਤੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ, ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਸੈਟਲ ਹੋਏ। ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਾਂਦੇ father was inspired by seeing the example of Uday Shankar ji and Ram Gopal. Lahore, as we know, was the capital of Paris of East. Jad Quetta destroy ho gaya the everyone was shifted to Lahore, including the administration. The Lahore fir asi pitaji kende ne Mohan ji, that's where the initial growing up years were. And Lahore to sara exposure shuru hua into the art of Kathak. Zora Sehgal ji, Ashif Hussain Khan sahab, Pyare Lal ji. This was the Punjab Gharana. ਹੁਣ ਲੁਪਤ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਪੂਰਾ ਘਰਾਣਾ ਕਥਕ ਦਾ। This was the ਲਾਹੌਰ ਘਰਾਣਾ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਘਰਾਣਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਅਕਸਰ ਲਖਨਊ ਘਰਾਣਾ, ਹੁਣ ਜੈਪੁਰ ਘਰਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਖੈਰਾਗੜ੍ਹ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਬਨਾਰਸ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, but there was a ਪੰਜਾਬ ਘਰਾਣਾ। ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੁਪਤ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੋਈ।
ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਜੀ, ਮੋਹਨ ਜੀ decided to go to ਕਲਾਕਸ਼ੇਤਰਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਵੀ ਡਾਂਸ ਦਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ, ਬੜਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸੀਗਾ। ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਕਾਮੇਸ਼ਵਰ ਸਹਿਗਲ, ਸੋਹਨ ਲਾਲ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਸੀਗੇ। ਇਨਫੈਕਟ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਦੀ ਡਾਂਸ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖੋ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਕਲਾਕਸ਼ੇਤਰਾ ਆਉਣਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਥਕ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਭਰਤਨਾਟਿਅਮ। ਇਸ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਸੀ?
ਇਸ ਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਸੀਗੇ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸਨ, मद्रास तो काफी आंदे सन. Ram Gopal from Bangalore, Uday Shankar ji, of course, from Bengal, but resettled in South in that period and before partition, because he was making a film, Kalpana, based in Gemini Studios in Madras. ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਮਦਰਾਸ ਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਪੱਕਾ ਸੀ. ਤੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਨ ਜੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਂਸ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਲਾਸੀਕਲ ਫਾਰਮ, you have to learn it from the natives. Those natives are only in Madras. Of course, everyone was in Madras or a Madrasi in that period. As much as for South Indians, everyone was a Punjabi in North India. They didn't know the difference much in 1940s or even 1950s or growing up here. So Madras influence was strong in films, on stage, and through these traveling artists like Ram Gopal, Uday Shankar, Guru Gopinath, from whose example many learned, which is why Bharatnatyam became an important aspect. But ode piche ek choti personal kahani bhi rahi ki in Ram Gopal's group were two dancers who were to win world acclaim: Mrinalini Sarabhai, a household name, and M.K. Saroja, who happens to be my amma, whose full name is actually Madras Kadruvelu Saroja, who was a 9-year-old in Ram Gopal's group, and Mrinalini Amma was about 18. When they were performing with Ram Gopal, lot of youngsters in North wanted to learn this form. So they were guided to go to Madras. Sunan ch bada aasan lagda ki guided to go to Madras. That timetable bhi nahi si, train bhi nahi si, 1940-45 di gal. They had to change 5 trains from Lahore to come to wherever Ambala, te utho aande aande Meerut, fir utho aande Bombay, utho Nagpur karde karande Madras pahunde si. Madras pahunche te kisi nu puchhiya ki ye dance form kithe sikh sakde ne. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਪੇੜ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਪੀਪਲ ਦਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਕੋਈ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ. That happened to be Rukmini Devi Arundel. Sure enough, she was sitting under the tree, the very famous tree in Adyar Kalakshetra, which was the first institution created to formally structure Bharatanatyam and teach it. So Mohanji, a young Punjabi Sikh boy from Quetta, Lahore, originally from Batala, Gurdaspur, reaches Madras before partition in 1945. Rukmini Devi Arundel looks at him and says, "Hey paiye, ni ye inge vanda yavlo dur vanda yanna pandri inge vanda ningal. Oh young lad, you have come all the way. You look like an alien too. What are you going to learn here?" He said, "Amma, somebody said you will teach me dance." It was so innocent. The teachers and the taught both were very innocent. She said, "Theek hai, apdiya, okay, welcome. But how will you survive in this climate and in this culture? We eat rice 3 times a day in one form or the other. Rice for idli, rice for dosa, rice for rice, and rice for dinner. And you are a boy from Punjab who will want to eat chapati or wheat." So look at the greatness of the teacher and guru those days. She instructed the hostel who had never seen a chapati in 1940s maybe to make some who had come all the way to learn this art form of Bharatanatyam from the masters. There's no home to return to. Partition happened. We had to base to Ambala, a place, and then Meerut. So Mohanji never returned home. So the earthquake in 1935, the partitions effect had already started in 47. So there were displacements. That is why he took to a form like dance and saving it. Because in a temporary see dance form and as an art form, painting the reh jandi hamesha vaste. Music bhi reh janda record form che. But dance is there and then it is for the moment, it is very, very transient. So unko laga ki yahi bachana hai.
And how did the marriage with Saroja Amma take place? Because this North-South thing at that time is intriguing. और मोहन जी ਨੂੰ ਤਮਿਲ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ।
Actually ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਕਨ ਸੰਤੀ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ polyglot ਵੀ ਜਿਕਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ this I'm saying for understanding of all those who are watching this, we are in the presence of saint, patron saint of arts. Chiranjeev ji zyada introduction nahi kar sakte. He knows 11 languages, including Farsi, Sanskrit, and many other languages. Alas, my father knew only 4 or 5. He knew Urdu, which everyone knew those days. Of course, he knew Hindi. He learned English, and he also had to learn Tamil and Sanskrit, both to impress the teachers and his personal interest, which was M.K. Saroja. So there, I have found many letters in the collection which are written in Tamil. He was very conversant in reading, writing, because most of the literature of dance was either in Sanskrit, in Telugu, or in Tamil.
शिष्टी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਰਕਾਈਵਸ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟਸ ਦਿਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ?
हाँ जी, पहले तो एयो दिखाना सी. This is from 1891, the Madras census. Today with the internet, we can't say how many dancers are there in Amritsar, how many in Jalandhar, how many in Phagwara, Philor, Trichy, Salem, or what have you. But in this gazetteers of the Britishers, and they were very good at it, one can see there were so many dancers in each district, how many magicians, musicians, puppeteers, and what have you. This is amazing because it is archives and photos like this which show how costumes have changed, how an art form went from the court to the people, how from the people it went to the proscenium stage, and how from the proscenium stage it went away to what is internet or digital technology. I will use certain examples because dance is a visual art form and we must partake of it since video we cannot access. This is how Bharatanatyam came to rest of India. 2 Devdasi girls or dancers who were gifted to the Baroda Gaikwad when he married a Tanjore princess. As part of the royal dowry, 2 Tanjore Devdasi artists were sent to Baroda. From Baroda, Bharatanatyam traveled to rest of India, to Bombay, to Delhi. Mohanji, as 24-year-old, after having finished Kalakshetra, was invited to head India's first university being created in Baroda, the MSU, as the founder head of the dance department. Oda vi reason si, kisi nu English nahi aandi si, kisi nu Tamil nahi aandi si, kisi nu Hindi nahi aandi si. Ikko hi candidate milya ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਦੇਣ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ technically he was trained in 1 or 2 classical forms, Kathak of North India and Bharatanatyam of South. So it was a rare combination that a 24-year-old immediately got invited to Baroda and was made the founder head of the Baroda University dance department, which continues still on a very odd day like 29th of February. But father says that's because his teacher, Rukmini Devi Arundale, was also born on 29th February. So there must be some. I also show you some instances of how foreigners who were catalysts, Ted Shawn coming to India, he's standing in this metal statue he got made and posing as Nataraj. Look at their depth that he carried this 400 kilo on a ship back to America. And in Jacob's Pillow, it is still there where one can see this ring, the Nataraja's ring of fire, so that the memory of Indian dance, letters written to Mohanji from all the dance grades. This is a catalog of the Mohan Khokar dance collection, which is Century of Indian Dance. Actually, it is about 200 years, but press, printing, photography as an art form, all these came up only in the last 100 years. So we don't have proof beyond more than 100 years. The earliest clippings, the gazetteers are 1880s. The first PhD on Indian dance was not done in India. It was done in Sorbonne on Kathakali in Italian. So it is interesting how Mohanji collected practically everything. Some of it also came his way from the universe. मैं उन्होंने एक बार आख्या मैं क्या ये तुसी इन्ना कुछ किमें इकट्ठा किता humanly for one person is not possible. He felt that when universe plans, it gives free gifts to that patrata. ते उन्होंने अपने आप ही gurus donated, Their children, they felt, will be throwing this stuff away. Most people were not literate in the formal sense of the language once we had independence. Many of the languages were lost. The Quran, the साढ़े तीन मकान दे दो मकान हो गए, दो मकान दे एक मकान हो गए. As she said in the introduction, that in the end we had photos living in the fridge, not food. We had books sleeping on the bed and we were on floor. But as good Tamilians, we got used to it early on in childhood. So it was interesting how when any artist or Guru, Gopinath Ji, Ram Gopal, Uday Shankar, Bala Saraswati, Sitara Devi, the three generations, they would come home. But one of the milansar nature si सारियां da. There was no ego, there was no stardom those days. But a simple see, they were kala premi. Artists those days were truly kala premi. It was not about self. Apni ego in nahi si, jinni kala de bare ch ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ respect their pride si. I take you to Lahore. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ. Lahore Punjab Gharana. How the Naach was represented, how Punjab Gharana, Tara Chaudhary was a well-known name. Ashik Hussain Khan Sahab, who actually came from Banaras. There was Pandit Pyarelal Ji also. This was the costume of Kathak in Lahore in 1930s and 40s. You can see it has very easy costumation from Gidda or the folk forms, and how costumes also evolved over a period of time. So history shows us, if we think of dance, we think of ballroom dancing. We think of Indrani Rahman's mother, Ragini Devi, pioneering American, how she brought in, when we think of Ram Gopal and his costumes, when we think of the details of that period, to think all of them gifted this to Bonji's collection also shows the level of trust. उन्होंने पता सी ये सामान उन्होंने दी memory देश वास्ते हमेशा safe रहनी है. ये भी नहीं पता सी कि देश किथे जाना है. For example, Ram Gopal ji shifted to England because he did not get land in India to construct an institution, and he said, "Okay, I'll go back." And he went back and became an iconic name. This is a letter from Ram Gopal, and the address is very interesting. Benson Town. This is his studio in Bangalore. An old house still existing as a YMCA in Benson Town. So we see many snippets of how gurus came and how they taught. Those days, gurus didn't come to cities to teach. Aspirants had to go to their villages, Pandanallur, Katumanar, wherever it was. The gurus were not in the market. They were interested in reaching the art to the right patrata, but the patrata had to make the effort, which is why ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ Krishna Rao ji ਜਿਹੜੇ Bangalore ਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, very well known name, US Krishna Rao ji. They also left Bangalore and went all the way to Pandanallur to learn from Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai. It's a rare photo of two gurus together, giants of Bharatanatyam, Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai, Muthukumaran Pillai ji, and a very young aspirant, my mother Saroja ji. Her body language shows the respect she has for gurus. She's sitting little away from it, but father must have forced her to sit in the same frame, which she would not have otherwise. Mohanji took over 1 lakh photographs in his lifetime. It sounds simple, but those days, one roll of film had to be imported from Germany or England. It was as expensive as a bicycle. When we were growing up, we didn't have many luxuries. We didn't have enough clothes even between 4 brothers. But there was always some film to be bought because that is the moment in history that needed to be saved. Which is how today we have this wealth of all that has gone before. Bala Saraswati, it's a classic photo of 3 greats in music because there's no dance without music. It is M.S. Subbalakshmi Amma, it's Bala Amma, M.L. Vasanta Kumari. And this is a rare picture of Hema Malini as a youngster meeting Bala Saraswati in the green room. So many such examples abound about the art form, how it has gone to times where Odissi as an art form developed, how we had films, the influence of films. You can see the Travancore sisters, how we had a classic one is, of course, We all know Gopi Krishan ji and Sandhya V. Shantaram films. We have Vajayanti Mala Amma, learning from Vempati Chinna Satyam at home. Sorry, we are showing you photos like this, but the film which we were to telecast, it's incompatible with Zoom technology. This is a classic photo of the Bangalore sisters, Maya Rao ji, Uma ji, all of them with Birju Maharaj ji, since Maya Rao ji also contributed to the Kathak and its enhancement. The folk forms are equally important, of Tamil Nadu or of Kerala, and of course, how can one forget Punjab and its beauty, which is always world over exciting. Hanji.
आशीष जी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੰਜਾਵੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਬੜੌਦਾ ਦਾਸੀ ਆਟਮ ਦੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਦਾਸੀ ਆਟਮ ਤੋਂ ਚਦਰ ਚਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਭਰਤਨਾਟਿਅਮ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਕੰਟੈਂਪਰੇਰੀ ਡਾਂਸ ਸੀਨ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ
ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਮਤ ਹਾਂਜੀ
मैं इवॉल्विंग सिचुएशन है उसके बारे गल करते हैं पर तुसी इसके बारे दसन लगे सी कंटेम्परेरी सीन
हाँ जी I think in any art discipline we see every 20 years 30 years थोड़ा paradigm shift होता है education became entertainment became information this is the technology which has made it possible in the last 50 years like that in fashion we have seen films how they have developed we have seen puppetry, how it's developed. In classical forms, which is a foundation, once we have mastery in one form, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, any form, then it is easy to go beyond that language and grammar. For example, je tuanu ABC kithe gayi si, ye tuanu alphabets pata honge, fir tusi words bana ke, sentence bana ke, phrase bana ke, ऐसे compose कर सकते हो. See, Indian situation is very amazing, partly because we were a colony, partly because we also had so many influences, and we always absorbed those influences. This hanu amalgamation ho gaya, mishran. Even within Indian forms, influence of say Kathakali on ballet, or influence on dance drama, and influence of films on dance and dance on films. All our well-known film stars were trained in some form of classical forms. It could be Meena Kumari ji in Kathak, it could be Hema Malini in Bharatanatyam, it could be Sri Devi, it could be Rekha. Any one of them had a foundation in a classical form. Today, when we think of contemporary response, like in design or in film or in architecture, it's a response to go beyond that language for a new generation to find meaning into something jeda onu lagde ki bakiya lokon nu it will reach out. But the moot point is, in India, what part is modern and what part is Indian? A definition is thodi problem aandi hai. Because if you are just copying Germany or America or France or England, then it is a modern language we are taking from their cultural experience. If we evolve, and I think the back cover of this book is very illustrative. It shows Uday Shankar ji and how this was contemporary for that period of 1930s. It has Ravi Shankar ji playing in the background, Zora Sehgal, Uzra Sehgal sitting in the foreground. We have Sinki, a well-known French dancer, and Rajendra Shankar ji. The whole group is here. For 1930s and 1940s, this was very contemporary. Today, we call this as reference point in ballet. And today's contemporary is trying to go beyond this grammar and structure of a set language, which in a way is nice, but it must have staying power. A language is only considered language when others understand it. If I speak like that, I'm speaking some language which might make sense to me, but no one else understood it. So contemporary dance and modern dance also have this reality that sometimes it is so abstract that it does not reach the audience, which is where we have to be very careful in India, how we use traditional material and how we take it forward.
Rashish ji, ਇੱਥੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇਖੋ जो भी गल कर रहे हैं डांस कर रहे हो कह रहे वी आर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन दिस इज दिस कई बारी तो लगता है कि सिर्फ एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन हो रही है और क्लासिकल डांस जिहड़ा सीगा वो खत्म हो गया है सो इस दे बारे तुसी की आखोगे
ਇਹ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਵੈਸੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸੋਚਣ ਚਿੰਤਨ ਦਾ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਚਿੰਤਾ ਤੇ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਚਿੰਤਨ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਟੀ ਫਿਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣੀ what will be Indian in Indian dance will become the moot point how is it different ki bakiyan de ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਇਹਦੀ how nicely Japanese have maintained their traditional arts how nicely some cultures have maintained both their contemporary response and their ballet. Somewhere we have doing this because of 2 or 3 reasons. Of course, there's always a reason. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਲੋਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੀ ਕੰਸਟ੍ਰੇਂਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਗਾਂਵ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਸਨ 10 ਸਾਲ 20 ਸਾਲ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਆਈਡਲੀ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੇ ਰੈਡੀਮੇਡ ਕੈਪਸੂਲ ਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ 10 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਕੋਰਸ ਭਾਵੇਂ 10 ਹਫ਼ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ 10 ਘੰਟੇ ਚ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏ ਕੰਡੈਂਸਡ ਕੋਰਸ ਵੀਕਐਂਡ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਉਹ ਵਰਕ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਪਸ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਤੇ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਐਕਸਪੋਜ਼ਰ ਬੜਾ ਵਾਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ on the whole it is not a very healthy trend because we are seeing the effect already in the younger generation not one of them has the staying power of getting an audience in thousands which earlier a classical dancer got and not one of them has a performing ability of 1 hour that's why they're doing group forms कि 5 मिनट तुसी कर लेना 5 मिनट असी कर लेंगे 10 मिनट इन्ने बंदे ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਕੋਰੀਓਗ੍ਰਾਫੀ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਪੈਕਟੈਕਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ from the art of the soloist which we were known for we have become art of the group which is common anywhere in the world ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਸੰਸਕਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਉਨੀ ਹੁਣ ਲਗਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ 20 ਸਾਲ 10 ਸਾਲ ਕਿਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਚ ਲਗਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਮਾਹਿਰਤਾ ਪਾਓ
ਏਕਾਹਾਰਿਆ ਤੇ ਖਤਮ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਬੜੇ ਚੁਣੇ ਗਿਨੇ ਚੁਣੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਐਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਹੁਣ ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ
ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਜੀ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਂਸ ਪਟਲ ਤੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੱਥ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਜੇ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਵਾਚ ਗਿਆ ਜੇ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਤੇ ਟਵਿਨ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਡਾਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਵਾਈਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ
ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਬੜਾ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੀ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਬਤਦਾ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰ ਪਾਏ ਨੇ for the common public at large listening to in Vietnam or New Zealand some friends have woken up and some in America and in India beyond South India Chiranjeev ji has been instrumental in reviving a lot of dead cultural spaces one good example was Alliance Française de Bangalore where he's been a 3-term president te jad do Punjabi mil jaan ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੁਆਬਾ ਦੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਜੀ ਚਲੋ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਖਿਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਐਕਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਦੇਣ ਚਿਰੰਜੀਵ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ ਖਾਸੀਅਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਇਹ ਇੰਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ PhD ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ 2-3 PhD ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ PhD ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ we activated Bangalore art scene 10 years ago and over 1,000 artists and dancers have got a chance to perform on this Alliance Française platform we instituted the World Dance Day India's largest gathering and also attendance award ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਾ ਦਿਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਪੰਜਾਬਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ 4 ਕਲਾਸਿਕਲ ਫਾਰਮਸ ਨੇ ਭਰਤਨਾਟਿਅਮ ਕਥਕਲੀ ਔਰ ਮਨੀਪੁਰੀ 4 ਤੋਂ 5 ਹੋਈਆਂ ਕੁਚੀਪੁੜੀ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ 6 ਹੋਈਆਂ ओडिसी ऐड हो गया
सत होइयां, फिर छाऊ ऐड हो गया, फिर यक्षगान ऐड हो गया, ये लिस्ट वधी जा रही है। और इन्हां विचों कई फोक फॉर्म सीगियां ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ ਕਲਾਸੀਕਲ यानी जिन्हां ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ शास्त्रीय नृत्य कह सकते हो। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ मैं देखिया कि छाऊ ਦੀਆਂ मूवमेंट्स ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ और मणिपुरी डांस ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ अपर टॉर्सो ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ मूवमेंट्स ਨੇ और ਭੰਗੜੇ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ अपर देखो ਤਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਿਮਿਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਦੇ ਅੜੂ ਯਾਨੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਲਾਸੀਕਲ ਡਾਂਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ।
एक्चुअली ओवर अ पीरियड टाइम ये ते एस्पिरेशन भी होंदी है बहुत रीजनल नैशनल ते कुछ आई वुड से ऑनेस्टली लॉबीज भी हो जाती है जिकन असम दी सत्रिया नु वो जद भूपेन हजारिका साहब बड़े मशहूर सिंगर ऑफ असम वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ संगीत नाटक अकेडमी ते एक प्रथा चली कि चलो सत्रिया जेडे सेलिब्रेट मंक्स करते सी सात्रा उन्होंने भी असी प्रमोट करके इन्हों निकाले। बंगाल दी भी डिमांड हैगी गौड़िया नृत्य ते उन्हां दी वाल्मीकि बैनर्जी ने जिन्होंने बड़ी कोशिश की है। पंजाब च ते बहुत पहलों तो होना चाहिए सी। हाँ जी पंजाब तो बहुत पहले ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨੇ I think they are a good resource material although our dance departments are clubbed with theatre or with music but I think now we have enough volume of teachers which are looking for employment that Chandigarh ਹੋਵੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ after all you know if there's patronage that we should bring this in discourse of university itself as compulsory. ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ UGC ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ e-ਪਾਠਸ਼ਾਲਾ Baroda University has had the privilege of doing it. So MA course is now on internet e-ਪਾਠਸ਼ਾਲਾ in dance and music. Same Punjab University and Punjab NGOs like this worthy one who's hosting us can take a movement forward ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਨਾਲ ਪੂਰੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਨਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ will be very happy to do something for ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜ਼ਹਿਨ 'ਚ ਦਿਲ 'ਚ ਆਏਗਾ ਸ਼ਰੀਰ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਮਦਰਾਸ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਰੋੜਾ ਜੰਮਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਾਕੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਮੁਲਕ ਘੁੰਮਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ is the only genuine place where ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਖਿਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਦਿਲ ਮਿਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਕਲਚਰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਰਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਾਵਰਸ ਦੈਟ ਬੀ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸੁਣਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਮੇਜਰ ਫॉर ਡਾਂਸ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਰਿਵਾਈਵਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਦੇਖੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਬੰਬੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਕੰਪੋਜ਼ਰ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਿੰਗਰਸ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੰਬਈਆ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨਾਓ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਯੂ نو ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸੌਰਟ ਆਫ ਰਿਸਰਜੈਂਸ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਇਹ ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਜੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 50s ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰਦਿਆਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਫੁੱਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਰੀਓਗ੍ਰਾਫੀ ਲਈ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਸੋ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਐਕਸਪੈਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਕੌਣ।
ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਫਿਰ ਯੂ نو ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਣ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਹੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਭਗਵਾਨ ਭੇਜ ਹੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਜਦ the environment is right some character will walk in ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਸੁਲਤਾਨ ਆਫ ਏਸ਼ੀਆ ਹੋਏ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਰਾਜਾ ਆਫ ਸਮਵੇਅਰ ਹੋਏ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਫਕੀਰ ਹੋਏ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸੰਤ ਪੁਰਸ਼ ਹੋਏ it can I think when the land is fertile things will grow ਤੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਫਰਟਾਈਲ ਲੈਂਡ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ।
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਆਖਿਆ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਫਰਟਾਈਲ ਲੈਂਡ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਫਰਟਾਈਲ ਲੈਂਡ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਕਨੋਮੀ ਦਾ ਬੁਰਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ और कई प्रॉब्लम्स ने जो डांस की गल कर रहे हैं तो इस करके कि डांस ही ब्रह्मांड का डांस ही हैगा। गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने आख्या नमो नाद नादे नमो नृत्य नृत्य सब कुछ उसका नृत्य ही है। इस करके फ्रिचॉफ कापरा ने दी ताओ फिजिक्स के कवर ते नटराज नू रखिया तो और सर्न दे विच नटराज दी प्रतिमा इंस्टॉल्ड है। सो सब कुछ ही डांस है। सब कुछ ही उसकी लीला है, जो लीला है वो डांस ही है। और अगली बारी जे माजा हाउस ने ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਇਟੇ ਦੇ ਭੁਚਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮਕਾਨ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਚਿਆ, ਉਹ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾਉਣੀ। ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਉਹ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਗੁਰਪ੍ਰਤਾਪ ਉਹਨੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ 45 ਮਿੰਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਸ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਰੱਖੋ, ਸੋ ਬਾਕੀ ਵਕਤ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਆ। ਪਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੀ।
ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਝਾ ਹਾਊਸ ਦੀ ਬਦੌਲਤ, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਬੜੀ ਦੂਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਕਨੈਕਟਸ ਅਸ ਆਲ। Please, anyone wishes to join and take this forward, as Chiranjeev Singh ji said, welcome.
Do we have any questions? I think Indu Jaiswal wants to ask something. Will I be able to speak? She's asking. Induji, please. Can we see you and hear you?
Yeah, hi. Good morning from New York. Actually, I'm in the car right now, so I cannot turn my video on.
All right.
But, you know, listening to Ashish's story, we know Ashish, he's our family. We have family ties. So we have seen the growth of Bharatanatyam, and we have seen the growth of Indian dance. And we are actually very, very proud of what our uncle has done. And we always cannot believe that the collection, when I saw with Ashish, the pictures and the books, my God, we used to go to their house and it was mind-boggling. So when we came to New York, you know, I'm a student of Bharati Vidya Bhavan. And Ashish is, I think, one of their panelists there. And Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Ashish went to the same school. Even in Bharati Vidya Bhavan, we used to learn classical dancing. And I also learned classical dancing. So when I came to New York, we run a very big NGO over here, non-profit. And our main goal is to promote Indian culture and our dances. So I think you're on the right track. If somewhere, in anywhere, the classical dancers are losing touch, the persuasion and the continuation of promotion of classical dances is very, very important. I see our children here in USA. If you see the programs, how much dancing, Bharatanatyam is mind-boggling what kids are doing over here. Kathak, Bharatanatyam, all classical dancing they're doing. So, you know, if it's doable in Punjab or any other state of India, I think it is very much commendable. And I want to thank you for inviting me for this panel. Ashish, this morning I'm going to work, but I'm really very happy to hear the whole presentation about the Indian dance. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Indu. Is there anybody else who has a question?
Yes,
And
I have a
there's,
question.
I think Chiranjeev ji's younger brother from Switzerland. He says, how can I participate? Participate in this conversation, or would you like us to do a session with you on something?
No, I am nowhere near my brother's capabilities, you know, for a session.
Okay.
But I would, are you hearing me? Can you hear me?
Yes, of course, yes.
Hanji.
Did you have another comment to make, or I'll go to Jasmeet then? She has a question.
I have a very short comment.
Ji, boliye.
It may sound a bit controversial, but I think I need to say honestly what I feel. Sade financial means ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਘਾਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, in spite of the government being totally disinterested. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਵਿਟਜ਼ਰਲੈਂਡ ਚ I see here in Switzerland, even very small organizations which are trying to preserve, you know, cultural heritage, whether it is dances or traditional choir songs or other things, there is a lot of movement, you know, for such protection. ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਪੈਸੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਚੜਾਵਾ ਚੜਦਾ ਹੈ, you know, ਔਰ ਕਮੇਟੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਢਾਹ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਮਾਰਬਲ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਮਕਬਰਾ ਟਾਈਪ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ. I think somewhere Majha House or the others can create an awareness ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੰਨ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਮਾਰਬਲ ਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਏ. I think some of those funds can be used for what was being discussed here, for a cultural renaissance. क्योंकि पंजाब ਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਜੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਟੁੱਟ ਗਏ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਪੈਲੇਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੰਦੇ ਭੈੜੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸ਼ਲੀਲ ਜਿਹੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਗਾ ਗਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਠੇ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਛੜੱਪੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਪਾਸੇ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਰੇਨੇਸਾਂਸ ਦੀ ਗਾਈਡੈਂਸ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੀਡ ਲੈਣੀ ਪੈਣੀ ਹੈ। ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਾ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟ ਕਰੀਏ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ, ਵੀ ਆਰ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ ਵਿਲਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਹੈਲਪ ਟੂ ਦੀ ਐਕਸਟੈਂਟ ਦੈਟ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ, ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਰੇਨੇਸਾਂਸ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਮਾਝਾ ਹਾਊਸ ਜੇ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜ ਦੀ ਡਿਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ਰਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਡਾਂਸ ਹੋਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਆਰਕੀਟੈਕਚਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਹੋਵੇ। ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਸੈਡ।
Oh, we are definitely trying to do that. Also quite aware that using the name Majha, because of its locational importance, to try and build this sort of solidarity, not only within Punjab, but between the two Punjabs or even the three Punjabs, if you see diaspora. So definitely we are trying to do this. Majha House is now about 3 years old. We have done quite a lot, but I agree with you completely that I also feel that the perception of Punjab, which exists, especially outside in the so-called mainland, the rest of India, you know, that needs to be changed, and that needs a lot of altering. And we need to start talking about all the problems that we have as well as the wealth that we have, which I think the country really doesn't know about. Each time I talk outside, I know that, you know, you're really trying to say things which a lot of people are really unaware of. But yes, so I do agree. It would be good to get help and support in terms of ideas, and otherwise also from, you know, especially people who are much more knowledgeable than we are, for example.
But if you talk of the diaspora, आजकल दे जो हालात ने, you might get accused of collaborating with the foreign hand.
I agree with you. We are always skating on the surface of trouble.
Majha House, I think is.
I think that we have two people asking questions. Chiranjeev ji, do you want to say something? Sound. Hanji.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, there is a question coming.
Yes, from Jasmeet.
Okay. I have a question before I conclude. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. My question is for Ashish. Ashish ji, mainu ye dasso, in Persian, in Pakistan, Balochistan, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ ਰਕਸ ਹਰੂਮ ਹਸਤ, ਰਕਸ haram hai. So how did the evolution change its course, or it stopped because open dances were not happening there? Stage shows were not happening.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਪੂਰੀ PhD thesis ਹੀ ਇੱਥੇ 1 ਮਿੰਟ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਕਰਨੀ, ਇਟਸ ਅ ਹਿਊਜ ਡੀਪ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ। ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਡਾਂਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਦਰਵੇਸ਼ਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਬੈਸਟ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, ਬਟ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਡਾਂਸ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਿਸਟਿਸਿਜ਼ਮ ਹੈਗੀ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਇਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸਾਡੀ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ, ਲੋਸਟ ਇਨ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ। ਈਵਨ ਆਵਰ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਰਹੀ ਨਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਨੈਕਟਿੰਗ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਇਜ਼ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਅਲਾਸ ਫॉर ਈਵਨ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ, ਫੋਰਗੇਟ ਦੀ ਵਰਲਡ ਐਟ ਲਾਰਜ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੰਸਕ੍ਰਿਤੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ was not specific to only language. It was specific to the provenance, region and culture. Now those are 3 big words. ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਕਲਚਰ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਉਪਲਬਧੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਮਦਰਾਸ 'ਚ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲਾਗੂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਸੀ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਨੀਪੁਰ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਉਪਲਬਧੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਗੁਜਰਾਤ 'ਚ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸਨ। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਦੇਖਣ, ਸਿੰਗਾਪੁਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਵੀਡਨ ਹੋਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਵਿਟਜ਼ਰਲੈਂਡ ਹੋਵੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਬੜੇ ਕੰਟਰੋਲਡ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੜੇ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਸਟੇਟ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਸੀਗੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਡੈਮੋਕ੍ਰੈਟਿਕ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਇਨ ਮੋਰ ਵੇਜ਼ ਦੈਨ ਵਨ, not only in a defined political way, but also in terms of sorry, I've just lost the contact, in terms of our own understanding of words. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਇਸਲਾਮ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਸਿਸ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, even for Indian classical forms, they were limited to temples. A proscenium stage वास्ते बने ही नहीं से. Am I audible? Because we just had a loss of electricity.
You are
here.
audible, sir, but
I take back. It'll just come. The generator will.
You're audible.
So in a way, we see that how even in our own limited cultures, the language has played an important part. And to make it nationally reachable, even classical forms, would you know that till today, sanu je mandra cha dance karna pe jehda natural states di Bharatnatyam da or natural states di many folk forms da, oh ASI to permission leni pendi hai. These are British laws from 1911 or turn of the century, which are still under effect. To raise the level to another level of approach and understanding, we have to do it through the parliamentary process, because ode baad hi these public spaces, our temples, gurdwara, unhone akhya sanu veer ji ne Switzerland to, all these places were places of congregation, meeting, learning, education, and art and culture were the byproduct or the foundation. All these are our actual stages. They were not just religious places. Especially if you take out temples in South India, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਕਸ ਕੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਾਰਸੀ ਵੀ ਕਹੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 500 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਚੇਸ਼ਟਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. This a good example is Iran, how they have dealt with, say, Dervish dance, which is mysticism. ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਮਗਨ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਬੀਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੋਏ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਤੁਕਾਰਾਮ ਹੋਏ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਵਿਠਲ ਭਾਈ ਹੋਏ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਊਥ ਦੀ ਪੋਇਟਸ ਹੋਏ, they were all mystics. They were artists later. Art was a byproduct.
Okay, thank you so much.
Anji, bilkul.
We have a question from Nancy Sahu. Nancy, can we see you?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity. My question is for Mr. Ashish ji. Ashish ji, I have heard everything what you just spoken here and told us that how we can preserve the Indian classical art forms. So my question is to you is that if one is fighting to preserve particular art form, what all aspects and parameter she or he should take care? Please give a small vision to that so that we will be able to make it mark on it.
I think ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਫਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੀ ਫੀਲਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਲਾ. ਇਹ ਤੇ ਕਲਾ ਪ੍ਰੇਮੀ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. ਲੜਾਈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਿ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੰਗਾਲ ਦੇ ਹੋ, Valmiki Banerjee, 90 plus 97, he's trying for long for Bengal to have a classical identity in a classical form. Bengal has many things, but does not have a classical dance form of its own. And your own guru, Dada Valmiki Banerjee ji, has tried for long. But despite having so much access, and you people live in Delhi, which is the capital of India, which runs the country. We are sitting in Mofussil, India. Yasi Phagwara hone, yasi Trichy hone, yasi Salem hone, yasi Manipur. We are sitting in Kasbas. You run this system in Delhi. Please think of being in the parliament. Please think of being an educationist. Please, JD hegi, flawed bhi hegi. We may not care for it in today or last 50 years. We've seen how India has grown or slided. But this is apni hai. This is what we have. I am an Indian first, anything else later. Punjabi, Tamil, Gujarati, or whatever else, which is what we have to learn. So I think thodi national pride te zaruri hegi. Regional importance is there, but you are young India. You are under 30, 35. You are half the population. Please be proactive. Think of taking up one cause. ਤੁਸੀਂ 100 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, 1000 ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ 10 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਸੋਚੋ। আপনি নিশ্চয়ই করছেন, আমি একটো কাজ করবেন, আপনি ওইও একটো কাজ চাই ভীষণ ভালো করছেন। This idea is from Swami Vivekananda itself. Take up an idea, make that idea of life. Think of it, dream of it, live on it. Let your body, muscles, brain, nerves all be focused on that idea. Because if you think of many ideas, nothing will get done. एक लक्ष्य पकड़ो ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਮਾਰਗ 'ਚ ਚੱਲੋ। We have brought it so far. Our forefathers, my father, his father, our seniors like Chiranjeev ji, whom we love and respect, each generation has contributed something. So please, it's your time now to believe in India, to take this forward, to support what you are getting. You're getting everything ready-made. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਖਾਸ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ। ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਘਰ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਰਲਡ ਵਾਈਡ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। So please use this opportunity, use technology to make an impact and make a difference to take India forward.
I think that we have Professor Sarabjot Bahel, who made a comment about wanting to start a performing arts department in the university here in Amritsar. Sarabjot, if you're there, can we please see you?
Yes, I am there, but I'm not in a very presentable state. As you're aware that I had vaccination yesterday.
Yes.
So I would certainly, I mean, whatever I heard from Ashish and Sardar Chiranjeev Singh ji, and I have had the opportunity to interact with Sardar Chiranjeev ji when he was here in Guru Nanak Dev University. And of course, you know, we need inspiring people like Ashish and Sardar Chiranjeev Singh ji to give us an impetus in, you know, doing these things or reviving these things in Punjab, where now it is said that agriculture is the only culture of Punjab, which is not true. In fact, what I just saw from this program, that the kind of documentation, you know, which we lack, I think that is the major area in which we need to improve upon, that there is no documentation in Indian universities or in Indian education system or learning mediums, that we don't document.
Stop it.
So I think it is a great service to the dance culture, traditional dance, which Mohanji and Ashish has carried forward with. They did, because documentation is something which always connects you. Like, I mean, today's program, I'm sure people have watched it. They would certainly get even an iota of inspiration from there. And I have been talking about starting a department of performing arts, and I never thought, again, being in Punjab, that dance could be a component of that. But yes, after today's program, especially, you know, when you go from Majha to Malwa, where Bhangra is a very vigorous folk form, but if you see Malwai Gedda, it is again very close to a classical form, because the movements are very slow, and they are you know, very articulated. Bhangra also is articulated, but Malwai Gedda is something which is quite similar to many group folk forms that I have seen, which later got translated into classical forms. So certainly, let us see if this session could inspire that thought, and we can take it forward. Thank you very much for such a productive session. Thank you.
Dr. Saab, zarur karo performing arts da. It's a very good idea. और ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਾਂਸ ਫਾਰਮਸ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਹੈ, ਮਲਵਈ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ ਝੂਮਰ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ ਲੁੱਡੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਡਾਕੂਮੈਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਓਰੀਜਨਲ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਦਿਸੇਗਾ
ਜੀ।
ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਓਰੀਜਨਲ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ 50s ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਈ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਛਾਉ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ, ਔਰ ਛਾਉ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਕਲਾਸੀਕਲ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਮਿਲ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ, ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਫੋਕ ਫਾਰਮ ਸੀਗੀ
ਜੀ।
ਸੋ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੋ।
Certainly. Thank you.
Thank you. I think we are at the end of questions as well as time. So I'm going to ask Jasmeet Nair to please come and do the thank yous for this evening.
Thank you, Preeti. An eye-opener, absolute eye-opener from two big crusaders of history of dance. I am a biologist, and evolution of life forms is definitely one of our strengths. But today, listening to the evolution of dance, the costume forms, and the virasat, and the way you traced the history was amazing. Amazing. And Punjab Gharyana was an eye-opener for me. I was not aware of this. I'm definitely going to look up more literature on this. And the Guru Shishya Parampara that you talked of in the way it is changing forms was another aspect which we didn't know about. And the shift of paradigms every 3 decades, you said 2 decades or 3 decades, that is a slow process. Unnati hona hi hona hai. It's not, and the contemporary dance, the quick fixes which we see now, and I just look at them and says, "Acha ye bhi hona tha, acha ye bhi ho raha hai." You kind of accept those things, but how can you forget the history and what we were brought up with? Very, very thank you. Lots of thanks. And special thanks for showing us the records of the glimpses of the archives. We would have never been able to see those records, and the way I could see the tags you have all over. Oh my God, you're the gurus. Thank you. And thank you to both of you and all the lovely audience that was with us attached, and they are still with us, and the question answers, and the young team of Maja House, the Crusaders. I think I would like to conclude by saying thank you so much.
Can I say something, please?
Who is that?
Yes, you can.
This is Indu Jaiswal from New York.
Anji, please. Yes.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਤੇ it's very nice to hear from all the panels and very inspiring. And what I'm saying is that the continuation of the classical training and the dances is extremely important. You know, ਅਸੀਂ dance shows ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਅੱਜਕੱਲ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਮਤਲਬ contemporary dancing ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ classical dance ਆਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਾਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ because it is you know in your mind that these dances really make a big impact. So I want to congratulate Ashish and the panels and the Maja House people for this program, and of course please invite me for the other sessions. I want to thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Please send your email or your phone number, WhatsApp number to us. So then anybody and everybody who wishes to attend the forthcoming sessions should do that, so that you'll keep getting information.
And you know, maybe I will talk to my panels. Maybe we want to do a Zoom session for our New York people about their dance.
Yeah, please. This entire month has been devoted to poetry and song and performance. The last Saturday of this month, we are planning to do a live session at Maja House with just about 30 people who will be invited. It's a session on Sufi, the Sufi tradition, and we'll have some music and song as well. It will, of course, only be held if we are able to, with the kind of COVID situation that is going on, and in Amritsar numbers are surging as in the rest of the country. So we will see what happens. And if people who are listening to this and they are in Amritsar, please do get in touch if you'd like to attend. And if we have it, of course. And then next month, we have 4 books with different each one from a different place. There's Kashmir, there's Afghanistan, there are the borders of India, and so on. So we will have discussions on all of that next month. Thank you all for being here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti ji, sanu invite karan lai aur
thank you so much, Ji, for being here and for, you know, I mean, not only gracing the occasion, but giving us all this part of your erudition, the two of you. It was really wonderful. Thank you. And I only wish
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਆ ਕੇ 20-30 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਕਦੀ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੌਟੇ ਅਸੀਂ। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਹੋ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ।
You must come. Thank you.
ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ।
Upper left-hand side. Leave meeting.
Thank you from our side, sir. Wish you good day and good night.
Thank you very much.
Good day in US.
Thank you very much again. Thank you.
Okay.
Pleasure.